Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add quick filters in Jira. So the first thing is to navigate to the project where you want to add your quick filters. So in my case it will be this project, mobile banking app. Now in order to add a quick filter, I'll have to go right here to Shift plus F or click on this filter. Now select where you want to add the filter, so let's say in work type. And now you want to filter by story or by task or by both. So let's say I want to filter only by story. So I will leave only story selected. And now it will give me only the story tasks. If I want to change it, I can always go back and set it up to be different. And this is how you clear these filters. So click on clear and you see everything as well. So thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.